another management in focus, another company in focus is DCX System. This is after the company has received an order worth about 483 crores from its customer ELTA Systems Israel. To talk more about this development and the outlook forward, we are joined in by Mr. HS Raghavendra Rao, the CMD of the company. Hello, Mr. Rao. Welcome to the show.
Namaste. Thank you.
So firstly, we'll talk about the recent order win on cards, a 483 crore of an export order that you've received from your customer, existing customer, I believe, ELTA Systems. Can you talk more about this? It's a significant one considering your order book size.
Firstly, this what we received, this 56 million, roughly about 483 crores. It is the one of the milestone of DCX. Earlier stages, we used to do the subsystems. Like the full system, it will be integrated, and after we supply the subsystem. Now what we received is a complete system to be built and tested and export. This is the biggest the opportunity what we get is customer has trusted us and proven all the old record, our quality and deliverability and the supply chain and efficient management. So now we got this full system integration. This is a very proud moment for DCX. That means every stage we are growing up the ladder for the cable to PCB, PCB to system integration. Now we are going for the full system integration. This is a very team is very really is a very good development in DCX today. That's what I like to put it to you.
Absolutely, definitely watching out for this one. But can you also talk about what is the kind of execution for this order in focus that is currently there? And you've said that you're moving up the higher value chain. Can you, are you seeing more opportunity in terms of that, in terms of the recent orders that you're seeing?
Yeah, definitely. This order book, what we have received is 483 crores to be executed within 12 months. Of course, this product got a lot of demand. And just we received the last week, and already we are started other licensing activity. You know, defense required a lot of export, import license, and hopefully we'll going to complete this within 12 months. That is our gut feeling. And it is very prestigious product and is required a lot of demand for a worldwide. ELTA is not only for Israel or India, they are supplying to worldwide of this type of product. So there is a lot of demand for this product. The supply chain also has been improved now, and we are competent to deliver within 12 months. What is the commitment day? And upcoming program, of course, is a DCX is a full turnkey solution which we provide from start to finish, from cable, PCB, subsystem. Now we are doing the master system integration, and all the three area got opportunity. And I'm seeing upcoming days after proving this full system integration, what we received now, there are big chances to go further up to complete the master system integration. That is our goal. There are opportunities are big for as well as the export as well as the Indian market too. And we are fully geared up, and opportunities are big for this high-end system to build in India.
Fair enough, Mr. Rao. You're looking at a 12-month execution period. In fact, I was currently looking at your order book. In the last 3 quarters, we have seen a significant pickup in terms of where the order book is. 801 crore was the figure in Q4 of FY24. From there on, Q2, 2,164 crore, and now a 3,000 plus figure that we are looking at. I want to understand from which segments in particular are we seeing more of these orders coming in? Is it from the domestic side? Is it from the international side, or a product type which is supporting these kind of new orders? And what usually is the execution period timeline for the total order book that is currently there?
See, presently we have about 3,600 crores order. It has been mixed with the domestic and international. So the export about our 70% and balance 30-35% for domestic market. The overall order what we received about 60-70% is a 12 months delivery time. The recent domestic order take about 2 years. Overall, we can say about the total order book, we have fulled another 2.5 years revenue for the present order book, what we are having in the today. So to overall 2.5 years, we need to execute this program. And 60-70% within a 12 months period, we can able to complete about nearly about 2,200 crore or 2,400 crore. We are able to complete in the next 12 months.
So 2,400, 2,600 crore till the next year. But I want to
Yes.
understand in the next 2 to 3 years, if we see now, there are a lot of discussions about Q4 being a crucial period for the defense sector in general. There's a lot of orders that are going to be bunched up in this quarter. So high order expectations. What is your sense on the kind of order book that we can see from this 3,600 crore plus figure in the next 2 to 3 years? And what is the kind of incremental revenue growth that you expect in these next 2 years as well?
See, normally you rightly said that our last quarter is very, very important because of the licensing, material availability. It is going well. And I'm in the, you can see my last 4 years, 5 years record. Last quarter was the highest. Let us take example about last year. We done about 1,424 crore. About 700 crore we done on the first 3 quarters. The last quarter is only about, we done about 50%, more than 50% of the overall 9 months revenue. It is normally is like that only, and this tendency will be continue in DCX2, this order book. Presently, and we still have many things to come. This all working with not offside, off-shelf available equipment or the component. It has to be run through many process. And hopefully DCX is in the well within the target, and we have an internal target to achieve our revenue, increasing our EBITDA and those things. And definitely I'll come back to you with this thing. This all normally I won't give the guidance number. It's not a company policy because I'm working with a very, very sensitive area for the defense. Some of the thing, sometime I'm not able to get the on-time material or license, many issue. I don't want to give you the guidance number to finally what I am execute. There is an internal target for us to achieve, but I don't want to give the guidance number. So finally I should not achieve, I should not be disappoint our investors. And also I'm not allowed to give many things because of the national security or outside NDA matters. So I'm not allowed to discuss more on the revenue pattern, material availability. So that's what, but company is in the focus. We are well within our plan and we're going to do well. That's what I can able to mention here.
Absolutely, Mr. Rao, that is fair to understand. I just want to understand that no need for the numbers and all that, but considering H1, we had seen some bit of downtick in terms of where the revenue was. This was because of some of the challenges which persisted, the Israel conflict as well. How is H2 shaping up? There's a lot of optimism about the defense industry in general, your outlook on the overall sector, not just for the company specific, and some of the key developments that you want to specify on. Yeah.
Okay, generally I can talk, and present situation for the MOD taking, especially our MOD taking everything on the Make in India program, Atmanirbhar Bharat. And last, what I see in last 4 years, it is a big successful for India. Many things is happening. Many companies are coming for India, whether joint venture or technology transfer or product to be manufactured in India, because Indian defense market is huge. They don't want to lose the business in India. But our government has put a lot of condition to make self-sufficient Bharat. So that's what Atmanirbhar Bharat. These are, I'm seeing very, very big team, big companies are coming to India. Like our companies are most benefited for this because we are already in the platform and we set for the defense manufacturing. So I'm seeing huge potential in this business. Upcoming days are very good. And not only that, and India got a very good skilled manpower, and the labor is compared to those countries are cheap. And those, let us take example. No, I'm not only doing for my Indian companies production for Make in India program. I'm doing 70% of my production utilized for export because the line is set, the price is competitive, they will get a quality. So overall situation in the global and the situation in the everywhere, and India is a well positioned to capture this opportunity. That's what I wanted to underline this.
Right, absolutely. It is the most important area for focus. But thank you so much, Mr. Rao, for joining and sharing your perspective on the company and the strategy forward.